What it do? Beer City Breakers back. Fresh break. Got a few packs from Hot Pack CO here. Couple Ronald Jones RPAs for good luck. And Sumpin Easy Ale. Never tried or seen this one before, so no better time than now to try it out. Sumpin Easy. Let that foam go down. Start this off with a little mail day I got today. A little eBay pickup. In case y'all didn't know, I love me some ducks. Got this Dylan Mitchell RPA. Because Oregon Ducks kick ass. Love this card. I probably would never be able to pull it, even though I've seen a bunch of other people. So I just bought it. So, this came in my package. I got that other basketball break and this football break from them. And 2 of the hot packs for football this time. And 2 of the Magneto. And I got this thank you. Here's their digits. Hit them up. And a thank you hit. Earl Campbell out of 75. Houston Oilers. That's pretty sweet. Alright, give this a try. Definitely easy. Something easy. Alright, we'll hit these 2 hot packs first, and then get to the Magnetos last. First up, Gridiron Kings, Dick Buttkiss. Donruss. And Bradley Chubb to 75. Rookie Triple Threats. Mike Gieslick, Dolphins, from Select. That's a huge patch. Player worn. Number 1 Prism. Number 1 out of 99. Player worn. Sweet looking card though. Dick Buttkiss. There we go. Another Dick. Not too bad when you're hitting 2 Dicks in 1 pack. Yeah, maybe I'm not a comedian. Another Dick Buttkiss. The Bears. And our last one, National Treasures, Deontay Burrett. Rookie. RPA. USC. My most hated college team, because the Ducks kick ass. Still a sweet card though. Not too bad for the first one. And on to number 2. Spectra, Derrick Henry rookie. He was 11 out of 60. He was on my fantasy team last year and sucking it up, and then I dropped him, and he killed it. Pretty sweet, though. Rookie. Another rookie, Jalen Ferguson. Oh. Rookie, Mahomes. I've heard of him. He did something good. Jalene Scott, Ravens. That's pretty sweet looking. That is, I don't see a number on there. Player worn. Still a sweet looking card. And Inception, Amari Cooper, rookie, with a huge patch. That's out of 149. That is a huge patch. I hope Amari Cooper has a good year this year. That's pretty sweet. All right, on to the Magnetos. 9 out of 20. Triple signature. Ultimate collection. Michael Huff, AJ Hawk, and Mario Williams. I don't even know who these guys are, but triple signature, that's pretty freaking sick. Upper Deck. Hardly ever get no Upper Decks no more. I wish they'd make more football cards. All right, last pack. Immaculate. Wow. That is a huge David Johnson patch. 34 out of 50. That is a huge patch. That thing is huge. I really hope he comes back this year and kicks ass again. That is pretty sick. Not too bad. For the price of a couple blaster boxes, get a lot of good stuff. Hot Pack CO, check them out. Thanks for watching. Cheers.